Okay, so this is there's a couple of ways of doing this question. As you can see, there are 40 people at a meeting. Each person travelled to a meeting by either car or train. 13 are male, 10 are female, travelled by train, 8 males travelled by car. There's a couple of ways you can work this out. You can work it out by deduction. Best way to do it is actually put it in a two-way table. So we've got females and males, and we've got car and train, and we know the total is 40, so we know we can fill these bits in here. So we know 13 of them are male, so total of car and train is male. We know that 8 travelled by car because it says it there, and so 5 must have travelled by train. We know 10 females travelled by car. 10 females travelled by train. We know that as the total is 40, there must have been 27 females, because 27 plus 13 is 40. So therefore there must have been 17 females travelled by car. 17 and 8 is 25. 25 and 15 is 40, so we know that we've got that bit correct. But it wants us to know the total number of people who travel by car, which is this bit here. And so there are 25 people who travelled by car. There are, as I said, other ways of doing it, but two-way tables are much the easiest, especially when they're giving you bits and bobs, whether it's in the table and you can just fill the bit in here. Remember, you've got totals here and the totals here. So this is the totals of number of car and train. This is the total of females and males. And once you've got a couple of them in, you should be able to easily fill out the actual table and pick off anyone. And now this also works for probability. So if it was what's the probability if I pick someone at random, they travel by car, that would be 25 out of 40, because you're actually having to do a probability question for that.